class. So dear children, in last class, if you see for the third students English first, we were discussing the lesson number 13, pronouns. And what we have discussed, what are the pronouns and how we use. Instead of a name, we use the pronoun. So definition also we have seen. And I told you to do the 3 exercises. That is, which pronouns could you use? And the next one, read the sentence using the pronouns in the place of the bold they have given, that you have to use. The next one, read the sentences using the suitable pronoun. Wherever they have used the word, continuously we have to use. The next exercise number 4, what they are telling, underline the pronouns. You have to underline the pronoun. So first one, you. So it is a pronoun, you have to underline. Make us is a pronoun, so like that you have to underline. Next one, you have to use it or they. What you have to use? The word use, you have to use the it or they. It or they. So you have to see this both are, it is a singular and they is a plural we use. So this you have to see and use where the single thing is there. Do you think dash will rain today? Rain is a single, so you can use the word it. Dash is 3 o'clock, so time you are telling. So you can use there, it is 3 o'clock. Like that you have to complete that exercise. Next one, exercise number 6, what they are telling. Exercise number 6, you have to start each sentence with the word, this pronoun of they. You have to use the pronoun of they. Where will you, when will they come? So what you have to start? They will come today. They will come today. So this is the thing. Like this you have to use. The first starting you have to start with the pronoun they. So like that you have to complete all that sentence. And next one, conversation, they have given exercise number 7. That conversation, and in the bracket 2 pronouns are there. In the bracket they have given you 2 types of pronouns. So you have to choose the which one will be suitable in that particular blank. So you have to think and do this exercise. Now let us come to the next one, page number 33. New topic, in a pronouns only, new topic, that is a possessive. In the 12th lesson already we have seen what is a possessive. Noun possessive we have already seen there. So here again we will be possessive pronouns we will see. Possessive pronouns. So what are the possessive pronouns? When we will use the possessive pronouns, and what are how we use? We use the possessive pronouns to show that something belongs to somebody. When we know that particularly this, whose is it? This is mine. So this is possessiveness, means this book belongs to me. So that's why I use the possessive pronoun here, mine. The word mine I used. So here some of the plural and the singular possessive pronouns they have used. Singular, first one mine, your, you. The next what? He, she. Then you, mine is mine, as I told you. Mine. The next one, you is yours. He means what we will be using? His. She means hers. Hers. Okay, na? In plural, what we will be using? What we will use in plural? My, mine. So here we, ours. We, ours. Now what we means we use the ours. And the singular you, and the plural also you, same word will be used, you, yours. Next one, what will be using for the she, he, she, it and all. Plural what we will be using? They. Then here we will be using the theirs. Theirs. This. So this is the way. This here singular he, she, and his or hers, and plural they or theirs. For they we will be using the theirs. So let us see now by the exercise how we use these possessive pronouns. What is that? Possessive pronouns, when and where, how we will be using. Exercise number 1. Rewrite the sentences using the possessive pronoun. Rewrite the sentences using the possessive pronoun. Just, this is my house. This is my house. This house is, then how here? First they have given the normal sentence. This is my house. Then how you change into the rewrite, how you rewrite? Then how we will write? This house is, whose house is it? Then what we will say? Whose house? Then what we will say? This is mine. So you can, this is my house, you can say this is mine. Means that is possessiveness. This is my house, normal way you say. But when you, this is mine, then that here you are telling the possessiveness, you are showing this is belongs to me only, not anybody. So that you are using the word mine. The next one, this books belongs to us. So instead of us, they are ours. They are ours. In that way you have to use. The word ours will be coming in the exercise number 1 we are doing. So here mine we use. The next one, ours. So the word ours. The next one, this is my pencil, same thing, it is mine. So like that we have to use. So you try to do that next 2 and all. Next exercise number 2 you come. You have to change the vowel letter they have given. In a vowel letter they have underlined, that word you have to change now. I have brought my camera. Have you brought your camera? So your camera they have underlined, so written in a vowel letter. So have you brought yours? No need to write that your camera. You can use the word yours. Have you brought yours? This is the word you have to use there. The next one, when you buy your coupon, buy dash 2. So buy my coupon 2 they have given. So buy mine. Buy mine. So when you buy for yours, so you buy mine too. So you have to buy. So the word mine will be used there. The next one, the horse belongs to us. The horse belongs to us. When I said you, we or us, what we will be using? The word, it is ours. It is ours. So you are us. So the word ours will be used. The next same thing, the car. So when they have a car, just like ours. They have a car, just like ours. Next 5th one, what they have used? While we waited for our train, they waited for their train. So theirs. So you can write there THEIR, theirs. So this is the 5th one. This is the exercise number 2, my dears. Now exercise number 3, that I am giving you as a puzzle. So that is given the puzzle. So that puzzle I am as a homework I am giving. You have to complete the homework. Exercise number 3 is a homework for you. You can do by your own this puzzle. You have to make sure that you have to do by your own. Just nothing. There are the possessive pronouns hidden in the puzzle. You have to find out. We have discussed what are the possessive pronouns. So just that one you have to recall it and you have to see where are these possessive pronouns. You can do by yourself, that you have to do. So I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and understood. If you have any doubt, you can call me and ask. I can clarify your doubt. Then you read once the textbook exercise you see, then you will be understanding more. Thank you my dear children, and complete your copy and keep ready for the correction. Thank you.